Hi, my name is Rosie and welcome back to my channel. Today we will be cash stuffing my February week 1 paycheck. So let's get our cash stuffing sheet out. I forgot to write down all the totals and stuff. Okay. So today is the 6th. And we will be stuffing $160. And let me go back into the cash planning to see how much we put into each one. Okay, so groceries had 55, gas had 20, buffer had 10, Elizabeth 50, then 5, 1, 2, 2, 5, and 10. Okay. And everything else had 0. Okay. Let me write the names of these. So January, oh, it's not January, it's February. Let me get my white out. Number 1, February. Number 2, February. Number 3, and February. Number 4. Okay. Now, let us go into our wallet to see how much leftovers we have from last week. So spending had 0, it has 0. Eating out had 0, eating out had 10. Now it has 0. Groceries had 60, it has 0. Gas had 20, it has 0. And buffer had 10. So it currently has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This will be going into our savings challenges this week. So let's write down $6 left over and 6 going into savings. Okay. Now let's count the cash we will be stuffing today. This is the wrong way. Okay. So okay, so 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 100, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. So I've already spent the 20 for gas. So let's put that here already. And let's stuff our wallet. So groceries is getting 55. Oh, let me put this in the tray first, so it's easier to grab the amounts. Okay. So groceries getting 55. So 2 20s, a 10, and a 5. Okay. Buffer is getting 10, so 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, that's it for my wallet. Let's go into the white binder and put in Elizabeth's savings. So she gets the last two 20s and then a 10 for 50. Okay, now she has 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 83, 10, 15, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. What did I say? Let's update this first. I want to write it in pen so that. Okay, so today's the 6th plus 50 equals 277 plus 50 equals 327. Okay, so 2, 4, 6, 8, 1, 2, 4, 6, 8, 2, 2, 4, 6, 8, 3, 10, 15, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. Okay, 327. I need to go to the bank and get hundreds so that I could condense this. And since she has 327, we could go in and fill in another one. Okay. So that had 327. Okay, now next is our savings challenges. Okay, 2026 savings. I'm doing a 5, but I'm also gonna take $5 from our leftover money. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now it has 20, 40, 45, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, $56 in it. Let's color in this. Then let's put over here, cross that out, and then put 10. Okay, let's head towards the back for this one. This one gets $10. Okay. And then our $5 savings is going to get $5. Then $2 savings, gonna get $2. Then this other $2 is getting $2 as well. Okay. Then our $1 savings is gonna get $1 plus the leftover dollar from leftovers. So now it has $2. Okay, and that's going to be it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I will see you guys next. What's my next video? Oh, it's my March Etsy update. I'm going to showcase all of my March savings challenges and my March bill due stickers and anything that I'm releasing for March. Also, I am giving away my February savings trackers. So if you want to win, where are they? And where's the bigger ones? There they are. So if you want to win my February savings challenges, just comment below anything, really. Tell me what you're doing for Valentine's Day. Comment below what you're doing for Valentine's Day, and I will choose 2 winners to give my savings challenges to. Okay, I'll see you guys next time.